Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to download and install the NetBeans latest version. You have to go to the Google search and type NetBeans IDE. Alright. It will be displayed the respective website. You click on this firstly. Now here this is the latest version Apache NetBeans 21. You will be able to download over here. Right. So if you want to go to the below versions here, click on download. Here there are below versions are there. You can go here, all the series you have to find out here more. Okay, here there are previous release, all the previous releases there, right? So now I'm going to go to install this one, Apache NetBeans 21 version. So I'm going to click download. So here it asks to download. So here you have to install the uh, you have to download for the Windows here, this one exe. I want to download the exe file, this one. Okay, so I want to click on this, right? That's the thing, you have to do it. So we click on this, right? So here your download is started. So this one here, you click on this. Here your download is started. You have to wait until your download is completed. Now download has been completed successfully. Now let's install the one, right? So here go to here, and here it will be the download is completed here, right? So I'm going to open the one, click on this. Here double click and run the exe file, click yes. It begin the installation, right? Click next, accept the license agreement, click next. The default is select the path. Okay, so here your JDK and everything, it will be defaultly selected, right? Keep as it is. First we have to install the JDK, mean this Java installation. Okay, JDK you have to install it, right? So here it will be automatically take at the path where your JDK is, right? So here click on here. So here check for update. If you want, you can click on this. If this any update is there, it will be updated automatically. You click on this. Okay, so now click install. But you have to wait until the installation has been completed. Now the installation is completed successfully. Click finish. Now again open a you have to open up here NetBeans NetBeans. So here this one. Click on this and open it. Now here uh, your software is installed, open up successfully. Now you install successfully. Okay, now you will be able to go to the file and new project, and you will be able to create a new project of the Java. So here you can select as if you want to make it as a swing based application, you can click on this, click and Java application, click next, right? So it will be configured, right? Here where you will be able to create the application. After that, it asks the project name. What is the project name you are going to give? I just give the project name as first app. If it is check create main class, this is uncheck it. Click finish. Right, this we have creating your first app, right? In NetBeans 21, right? So here this is simple, right? I hope you guys you understood the things well. Okay, so here your project, right? Thank you for watching.